dealing with challenges and uncertainties in the PIA. Privacy impact assessments. PIA are crucial for managing privacy risk, especially when dealing with emerging technologies and data practices. This article explores strategies for effectively scoping, researching, analyzing, implementing, monitoring, and communicating PIA in this dynamic landscape. The scope of the PIA. First, identify the technology. Clearly define the technology or a data practice being assessed, including its purpose, how it works, and its potential data processing activities. Second, understand the regulatory and landscape. Identify relevant laws, regulations, and standards that apply to the technology. Consider cross-border data flows and jurisdictional requirements. Third, engage stakeholders. Involve a diverse team including legal, IT, security, business, and external experts. Gather insights from stakeholders to understand their concerns and expectations. Fourth, assess risk and uncertainties. Consider a risk like data breaches, misuse of data, lack of transparency, and potential biases in AI-driven technologies. Be prepared to assess and mitigate unknown risks. Define the scope based on impact. First, data processing activities. Clearly define the data processing activities involved, including data collection, storage, transfer, and deletion. Second, data subjects and sensitivity. Identify the data subjects affected and the sensitivity of the data being processed. Third, a scope based on risk. Prioritize areas with a higher risk to privacy and security and define the scope accordingly. Fourth, future proofing. Consider how the technology might scale and how that affects data processing and privacy risk. Ensure the PI scope is flexible enough to adapt to changes. Research the technology and data practice. Understand the core technology. Investigate the underlying technology such as AI, blockchain, IoT, or 5G. Grasp its principles, functionalities, and typical application. Identify use cases and applications. Look into how the technology is being applied in various industries to understand the specific contexts in which it might be used. Explore potential privacy impacts. Identify common privacy risks associated with the technology, such as surveillance, profiling, or data leaks. Consider ethical issues like bias, transparency, and accountability. Stay informed on regulatory and policy developments. Monitor legal changes. Stay updated on laws, regulations, and guidelines that are emerging in response to the technology. For example, AI regulations, GDPR, or sector-specific data protection laws. Engage with the regulatory bodies. Participate in consultations or industry forums to gain insights into how regulators view emerging technologies, review policy papers and web papers from authority, authoritative bodies, leverage cross-disciplinary expertise, engage experts from IT, legal compliance, cybersecurity, and business units to provide a diverse perspectives on the technology, collaborate with industry peers. Joint industry consortia or working groups focus on the technology to share knowledge and best practices, benchmark against industry peers, analyze the privacy risk and impacts, data processing activities, data collection, storage, transfer, and deletion, types of data being processed, example, personal data, sensitive data, and metadata, who has access to the data, including internal teams, third-party vendors, and other external entities. Privacy risk, unauthorized access, data breaches, hacking or malware attacks, human error, misuse of data, or failure to follow protocols, non-compliance with existing or anticipated regulations. Impact of risk, data exposure, sensitivity of data, potential harm to individuals, extents of data exposure, sensitivity of data, potential harm to individuals, number of individuals affected, financial loss, or reputational damage. Implement the privacy safeguards and measures. Align with the privacy by design principles. Integrate privacy safeguards into the design phase of the technology or system. Apply data minimization principles to limit the collection, storage, and processing of our personal data. Adopt robust access control measures. Implement RBAC to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data. Require MFA for accessing systems that processes or store personal data. Utilize privacy enhancing technologies PETs. Use anonymization or pseudonymization to reduce the identifiability of personal data. Implement strong encryption protocols to protect the data both at the rest and in transit. Implement adaptive and scalable safeguards. Use a dynamic data masking to obscure sensitive data in a real time. Design safeguards that can scale with the technologies, growth and adapt to new data practices. Monitor and review the PI. First, establish continuous monitoring mechanisms. Utilize anonymous monitoring tools that can track data processing activities in real time. Implement systems that continuously assess the risk levels based on real time data processing and environmental changes. Regularly review and second, regularly review and update the PIA. Schedule regular audits of the PIA to evaluate the effectiveness of privacy measures and identify areas that need updating due to technological advances or changes in the data practices. Third, adapt to emerging risks and threats. Integrate threat intelligence feeds into your monitoring system to stay informed about emerging threats. Conduct a scenario planning exercise to explore how emerging threats or changes in technologies might impact privacy risks. Thank you.